The standing dumbbell row to shoulder press is a compound exercise that targets your back and shoulders. If you're short on time, this move efficiently combines pulling and pressing into one move to save time. However, if muscle growth is your goal, it's better to perform the movement separately since the weight will be too light for back growth. Here's how to do it correctly. Stand tall with your feet shoulder width apart, holding a dumbbell in each hand with the neutral palms facing your thighs grip. Engage your core, then hinge forward at the hips with a slight bend in your knees. Pull the dumbbells toward your torso, keeping your elbows close to your body and squeezing your shoulder blades together at the top. Lower the dumbbells back down in a controlled motion. Stand back upright, then maintaining the neutral palms in grip, press the dumbbells overhead by fully extending your arms while keeping your core tight and braced for stability to protect your lower back. Slowly lower the dumbbells back to your shoulders and return to the starting position. Focus on engaging your muscles for both the pull and press while avoiding using momentum. Continue alternating between the row and the press, focusing on smooth and controlled movements. Don't stop learning now. Click this video to master the next move with perfect form while avoiding the most common mistakes.